Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Are we set up?
Are you gonna like edit this?
No. one shot, one take.
Move the buckets. We gotta move the buckets.
We got to move the buckets. One chip challenge from the Turbulence Monster Truck headquarters. Maybe get some questions in while we do
All right.
this stupid thing. Too close?
Oh, it's in like pieces.
It's in pieces? Well, these are a little old.
Oh, it smells
So-
spicy.
The rule is if you eat your protein, if you drink your protein, you're out. Ugh. Mine's in one piece.
Oh, you
I
dropped
gotta
the
get
base.
it. I gotta get it. So can I just eat this one piece and then be done?
Nope.
Alright. Ready?
Oh, a cheers.
Well,
Chip
me.
cheers. I think you need to lick the inside of the bag too.
Make boogie come on my lip. Not bad yet.
Oh, we can't have anything to drink.
No.
I immediately want something to drink.
How's it so far?
Chip was not good.
Not very tasty. Oh fuck, it creeps. I'm getting there. So here we are. Oh my god, it's getting hot. Oh my god, it's getting hotter.
Oh, it creeps.
It's getting hotter by the second.
Your truck?
Oh my god, my mouth is burning. My eyes are watering. That
You need to get hotter.
is hot. Oh my god, the more I breathe. Can you spit? Can we spit?
I'm at hyperventilating.
You're not cold anymore.
I don't even want to talk.
Oh my god. Dizzy. Am I in a shot
Okay,
still?
calm down.
Yep.
Okay, calm down. Can I get in the truck?
You're crying.
Am I in the shot still?
Yes, you're still in the shot. You're at 2 minutes.
Wait.
5 minutes is lightweight.
I don't know what
No, 5 minutes is featherweight. You're not even at lightweight. Right.
We can't spit. Or can we spit? I don't know.
Do you want? Oh,
This fucking sucks.
Personalized products. Don't eat random. Visit facebook.com/support small business.
That was a lot of spit.
oh, these expired.
Does that help?
The one chip challenge.
I want that milk protein so bad. Oh my god. It hurts to breathe.
Oh, my belly is on fire.
You're out of the shot.
Some updates, I'll give you some updates on the truck. I'm gonna flip the camera, I think. Can I flip it? I can't flip it. So,
Oh my god, my fucking belly.
I'm gonna check the shim packs in those and try to soften the shocks. Talked to Joey Boudreaux yesterday. He's gonna come over and we're gonna check those, make sure everything's set. I'm so fucking dizzy. Put new centers in the wheels, with new gussets. Moved the centers back about 4 inches to make them wider. I'm freaking dying. And the last thing we're gonna do, that puppy is a new Balance 505 going in. My stomach hurts a lot. This is my friend Jason.
His pant leg ended up again.
He pulled it up.
I need to sit down.
My stomach hurts.
Yeah.
I feel like the heat is done.
Yeah, the heat's done. I think I'm gonna throw up.
No, don't throw up.
I'm with you.
You're almost at 5 minutes.
Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
Yeah, my stomach hurts really bad. Oh my god, my fucking belly.
Yeah.
So what shows do you have coming up?
Oh, my stomach is like cramped. Yep. I can't even think. Oh my god. My belly.
You guys want your drink?
I'm dizzy. This isn't making it any better. Oh.
So this is a monster truck.
See the rear shocks.
The rear shocks are off. It has 4 wheels.
Putting walls up in the shop.
This is the Eye of the Tiger.
I am not.
Or
the eye
no,
of the
this
tiger.
isn't Eye of the Tiger. This is
Is this
Rocky.
training montage.
This is Rocky. We're going to Pennsylvania.
Oh, for your fitness.
Jason, how you doing, buddy?
My belly hurts.
My belly hurts a lot. If I stand up, I might pass out.
Okay, then take a drink. You're at almost 7 minutes.
This is not fun.
I don't know what to do with my hands. Oh,
Let's
jeez.
get-
You can just talk.
I'm gonna hold it and interview you.
I don't need to be interviewed. I'm not the one that's dying.
These tears are real. This is pain. Oh. Oh.
Jay,
Hi.
you want some milk?
Not yet.
Not yet?
My belly hurts.
Okay.
It's not the heat anymore.
Turbulence.
Maybe do rap next year? Oh. That had distance.
That did have some distance. I got part of it. Ooh. You're arcing those.
I just want the heat out of my mouth.
Then take a drink. 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Jason, how do you feel about 10 minutes?
That's fine. My belly just hurts so bad right now.
I know.
Do you guys just want water instead of milk?
I just don't want to stand up and pass out. That was a piece of chip.
Oh, you puked? Come on.
Oh, babe, I can't. Take your sweatshirt off and pose with the truck.
It's too cold.
I know. Oh my God. The harder I breathe, the more heat goes in my chest.
Jason's just not moving. $9.49.
One chip challenge.
10 minutes.
I challenge other monster truck drivers to take this challenge. I don't care if you have milk, protein, water, orange juice, and talk about your truck. See if you can do it. I'm partially sweaty from the gym, but this is making me exponentially sweatier. Oh,
Ooh, how'd that feel?
not good. Oh, bad move. Shows. I got a couple, I think, with Steve Perry versus Monster Trucks. Check them out. I got 4, 2 in New Hampshire, 2 in Maine for Elliott and Monster Truck Throwdown. A few with Rob Putri, Hammer Down Motorsports. Maybe one with Daniel Ames, South Carolina Monster Truck Madness, but it'll be local New Hampshire. Check out the site for dates coming up. And oh, it's making my stomach hurt more now. It's coming back. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. I don't know what to do.
Oh,
I feel like I should go to the hospital.
no.
Not really. Oh, that was a bad move.
Oh, that seems to be the position. Oh, how'd that feel? Jason, have you burped yet?
No, I don't want to.
It's 12 minutes.
I want my protein, but I don't want to move.
I can bring it to you.
I think it comfortable.
So, possibly a new wrap next year.
Yeah. Oh,
Working on getting some new merchandise for the shows coming up this year.
inventory today.
We're doing inventory today to find out what we need to get more of.
Oh,
Maybe.
I might throw up. I'm dizzy.
Okay. Oh, don't throw up on the four-wheeler. We've been working on fixing up the garage. It's a bit of a mess right now, but it's winter. Putting boards up, sealing the walls.
Going for it.
We just got some foam to insulate it, keep it nice and warm. Oh, John took a drink.
Oh my god.
13 minutes. 13 minutes. Jay, you want yours?
Nope, I'm good. I don't know if I'm crying because the heat makes my belly hurt so bad. My belly hurts so bad. It doesn't feel good. I can't get comfortable. You throw up?
No, I want to.
Do it.
That'll probably hurt more. Oh, God.
Oh my god, here it comes. Here it goes. Do it, John.
It's also about 30 degrees outside right now.
45.
45? Oh, well, it's cold.
Oh, I am sweaty. I'm gonna be so scared to take a shit.
Here's our fearless monster truck driver. Here's a toter. Cleaning out the back.
Turn out the inside.
Tearing out the inside of the toter home. Gonna clean it up. Put some new beds.
Oh my god.
Jason's not moving. Both pant legs are up.
My belly.
What do you need, John? Sure. John says he's tingly.
My hands are good.
Uh-oh, I accidentally stopped it.
Good, please leave it stopped.
Leave it stopped?